Welcome back guys to another video with the cheap smart car. This is actually the last video from this series because by the end of the video the car will be completely finished. So stick till the end so you'll see how it turned out. Now after I replaced the timing chain and I installed the rear axle with the engine back under the car, I only had left to plug in the ABS sensors and the brake lines. Then I proceeded to replace the fuel filter, and you can see it really needed replacement because what drained from that filter looked like muddy water. Next was the air filter. Just push the tab, then pull the filter towards you and then it can be removed. Install the new one in the reverse, place the housing cover over and press the 4 clips. I topped up the coolant, then replaced the rusty windshield wipers with a pair of new ones.
Also, the right handle broke at some point, so I pulled it out and I looked into it, and the cable that was from here to the handle was broke. So I ordered a new one and I'm waiting for it so I can open the door. This is the door handle cable. Here's the part number, maybe you need it. It comes with this little plastic clip. Okay. You want to take this rubber seal and you want to put it here. Then you take the 25 Torx screw and just screw it back there. And that's it. Also, the right mirror was floppy, so I opened it and there's a small spring here in the inside that if the mirror gets smacked, that spring pops out, and then you get a floppy mirror. So I opened everything up, put that back in there, and now it's sturdy.
I put new tires on the front, and then the only thing left to do was get the seats cleaned, because as I said in the previous video, the car was parked for a while and with the top down, the chairs got stained. So I took the car to a detailing guy, he took care of it, I let them get dry for a couple of days and they looked fresh again. So with that, my cheap smart car project was finished. It has been some hard work, but now it was ready to be driven again. New timing chain, fresh oil, new filters, water pump, thermostat, new tires, fresh interior, and many other things. Honestly, it was worth it. The car was a pleasure to drive. So you're probably wondering what happened to it. Well, I put it up for sale, then a couple of days later someone came, she liked it and so she bought it. I made some nice profit from it and it was an interesting journey to work on a car that is a little bit special. Thank you for watching and stay close, cause I am working on a new project, so I'll be back with a new video soon. See ya!